Hello, I'm Shelley Moore Capito, Senator from West Virginia and a member of the Senate Energy and Natural Resources Committee. In West Virginia, our vast energy resources are the lifeblood of our economy. The production of coal and natural gas accounts for tens of thousands of West Virginia jobs and keeps the lights turned on in our homes and businesses. As Senator, I'm committed to harnessing the economic potential of these energy resources and protecting the availability of affordable and reliable energy in the Mountain State and throughout the country. That's why I've introduced two pieces of legislation designed to streamline the regulatory process and protect our energy security. The Oil and Gas Production and Distribution Reform Act modernizes the permitting process for pipelines. With the great boom of domestic natural gas production comes a need for a modernized pipeline infrastructure and capacity. The Affordable, Reliable Energy Now Act, also known as the ARENA Act, requires EPA to give states more flexibility under the President's harmful Clean Power Plan. It is the legislative vehicle in the Senate for fighting back against continued EPA overreach. I look forward to continuing working with my colleagues on the Senate Energy and Natural Resources Committee to strengthen our nation's energy reliability, protect our vital jobs and our energy jobs, and unlock the potential of America's energy resurgence.